Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are trying out a brand new campground today. We have never been here before. I believe it's called General Sibley or Sibley Park, and we are in North Dakota. We're headed back to Arizona from Minnesota, so we just wanted to show you guys this cool little park. The best part about this is the RV sites were actually all filled. And since we only have a 19-foot motorhome, they let us park in the tent area. And tonight is free tent camping, so we are here for free. In the tent area, there's not actually defined sites. You just pull in and park and set up your tent wherever you'd like, which is actually really cool. I've never been to a campground like that. But me and Zena still wanted to show you guys the camper area. So there's a bathroom. There's also bathrooms on the tent side. They have dog poop bags. And then on the camper side, they obviously have defined campsites. But so far it looks pretty cool. This place is absolutely packed. And it seems they also let tent people camp on the camper side if they'd like. And this park is located in Bismarck, North Dakota. Now I know for some people the bathroom situation is very important. On the tent side, it's not flushing bathroom. At least the one that we went in is just a hole in the floor, a pit toilet. So yeah. And we just checked. The restroom on the camper side has flushing toilets, sinks, and they even have showers, which is pretty nice. There's also nice, big open areas, tons of room to play, and they have a disc golf course. Now, me and Zena literally didn't even look at a map. We're just aimlessly walking around this place. But they also have a playground over there. Right here, there's a really big, just like covered seating area. Look at these crazy nut things. I wonder what that thing is. And of course, while Zena and I are exploring, we've got to find some wildlife. Holy guacamole, did you guys just see that frog come out of the ground? Holy cow, I've never seen that before. Look at these cute little frogs. They're tiny. It just came out of the ground. And they have this little stage area with benches. Not quite sure what they use it for. But look at that beautiful view behind there. This place is really, really pretty. Then, the trail that we're walking on right now, or the sidewalk, it's a little walking, bicycling trail that seems to go around part of the disc golf area. And this is pretty cool. So General Sibley Park in Bismarck, North Dakota. That's where me, Zena, and Mr. Cameraman are. This seems to be a little bit of a story behind General Sibley. So that's pretty cool. General Sibley is a person, it appears. From war to revenge. And if you follow this trail, there's more of these like historical plaques. Like I said, so far me and Zena have just been aimlessly walking around, and this place is super crazy cool. They have some ginormous, beautiful trees. I mean, look at that thing. Me and Zena love nature and that beautiful view out there. Over here, it looks like they have a sand volleyball court. So just a really cool place in general. I mean, me and Zena are having a blast just walking around, but we better go find Mr. Cameraman. We didn't really tell him what we were doing. We just left. So let's head back that direction. And the disc golf course here appears to be like pretty large. Me and Zena just keep walking. And I mean, it just seems like there's more and more and more and more of this park. So it's pretty cool. This is kind of like the story of when this park first opened. And this place was opened on Saturday, May 27th of 1967 at 2:00 p.m. That's pretty cool. It's pretty old. And I grew up through the Boy Scouts. And it's pretty cool because this place used to be used by the Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts. So really cool area. You guys, I just found out this place has free Wi-Fi. I just signed on to it. And then they have this little signage area here with a map of the entire 18-hole disc golf course. And they've got a whole bunch of free events coming up. You can get your own discs here. Me and Zena are about to go up to the front because we want some delicious ice cream. But this is a map of this whole place. We are right here off of this red dotted line. That's the trail. And we're camped like over here. So we started up here, we walked down, we walked all around this area, came to the other side of the playground, past the amphitheater, and now we're right there. So we are gonna keep heading back. Me and Zena want to go get some ice cream. Okay, so Zena and I have officially walked basically around this whole little area. This is basically like a teardrop shape. So there's the front office. Right where that black car is leaving, that's where we came in. So you go that way to get to the campsites and where we're camping at. And then the road we're walking on right now is if you basically just go around the loop. And then check in, check out, 2 p.m. And so that's kind of which direction you go. So they do have some nice signage, so you're not going to get lost in here if you're trying to drive around. And the front desk is open 10 to 9. They also sell firewood and have that nice pop machine. And one thing to note, if you do plan on being loud, quiet hours here are from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. Okay, overall, we've only been here for like 30 minutes so far, and I totally love this place. Super, super, super cool. Really beautiful area, great location. We're just like right on the edge of town. So if you needed to run into town, you totally could. I mean, me and Zena are having a great time. And finally, we are going to go get our ice cream. So we will be right back at ya. One of me and Zena's, or actually our life verse is, go and eat your food with gladness and drink your wine with a joyful heart, for God has already approved what you do, Ecclesiastes 9:7. And that's what we're gonna do. We couldn't pick out which ice cream we wanted, and they're only $1, so we got a coconut outshine bar and a Hawaiian punch bomb pop. Super excited to try these, but yeah, these are each only $1. And to tent camp here is only, I believe it's $12. And then to camper camp here, it's only like 20-something dollars. So very, very affordable campground. These are all of their rules. And it says no swimming, so I wonder if somewhere there's water access. Interesting. By the way, take a bite of each one of these together. They are fire. So right here is our exact pricing. Camping with electricity is $25, tent sites are $12, fireworks $6. So that's all of their rules, regulations, and fees and stuff. And Mr. Cameraman found a site in the tent area. So there's like us surrounded by a whole bunch of other people, and there's electricity. So totally mind-boggling, great, amazing campground and park. You guys definitely need to come check this place out. Bismarck, North Dakota is home to this beautiful park. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. But before we go, Zena, Mr. Cameraman just rode his bike and, oh, do you miss Mr. Cameraman? Oh, do you miss him? Holy guacamole. Do you miss Mr. Cameraman? It's okay. She just jumped out of my arms. She's breaking the rules. She's supposed to be on a leash. She just ran over to Mr. Cameraman. Xena is crazy. But what I was saying really fast before we ended this was the Wi-Fi. I don't really know if it's just called Sibley Guest, and it doesn't work by where we're tent camping, but it does work better and better the closer you get to the front office. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye.